Hi guys, this is AJ and welcome to Become a Front-End Master. So in the last lecture we have seen all the tags, the basic tags like h1 to h6, then paragraph tag, span tag, then inline element, block elements. Then we have seen the anchor tag, then we have seen image tag. Okay, so now in this lecture we'll just see what is CSS. Okay, so the full form of CSS is Cascaded Style Sheets. Okay. Why do we use this CSS? So the basic use of this CSS is they are used to style the HTML document. Okay, जो भी आपने लिखा है टैग्स के अंदर h1 to h6 के अंदर लिखा है, पैराग्राफ टैग के अंदर लिखा है, और suppose you want to give color to those text to that text. Okay, so suppose you want to give a border to the text, suppose you want to change the background color. Okay, so for that purpose we use Cascaded Style Sheets. Okay, so हम लोग will just create a new file. So right click, new file. Okay, and we'll just save this, Ctrl S, and we'll give the name as first style.html because this is an HTML document. So we'll give first style.html, that is the name of the file. Okay, done. Now we'll create the basic structure. Okay, so this is Sublime text. Okay, so I'll just type HTML and I'll just press enter. So it will give me the basic structure as we already know, which I have already explained in the previous videos. Okay, so now we'll make use of CSS. So we'll just take an h1 tag. Okay, and I'll write this is h1 tag. Okay, so first we'll see the output of this. So I'll just go to that folder which is front end folder. Okay, on the desktop. So I'll just go to that folder, double click on this file, first style. So I'll just see h1 tag. This is h1 tag. Okay, now I'll just give the style to this tag. So how to give style to this or how to include the style in HTML is just press space and use a style attribute. There is a attribute, HTML attribute called a style attribute. I've already explained what are HTML attributes. Okay, so these attributes basically tell us more information about these HTML tags. Okay, so whatever style we want to write for h1, we'll write it in style attribute like this. So style equal to double quotes, inside double quotes I'll write whatever style I want. So say color. Okay, so color, this is a predefined CSS property now in CSS 3, that is the latest version we use. So color colon whatever color you want, so say red and semicolon. Okay, so this is how we write style for h1. Okay, so now let's see the output. This should change the color to red. Okay, so we have saved it and we'll just refresh it. Okay, so this has now changed the color to red. Okay, so this is how we write the style attribute. Now this particular writing style, okay, is called as, just comment it, it is called as inline style. Okay, why it is called as inline style? Because I have written the style in the same line as the tag or inside the tag, that is why it is called as inline styling. Okay, so for now, for this video I'll use inline styling. Okay, for better understanding. In the next video I'll tell you about two more types of styling or writing styles, which is internal style sheet and external style sheet. Okay, so for now this remember this is inline style. I'll just use a paragraph tag. Okay, now this is a paragraph. We'll see the output, save, refresh. Now since it is a block element, it will come on new line. Okay, so this is a para. Now I want to give background color to this para. Now since this is the block element, this occupies the full line. Okay, so when I give the background color to P, it will occupy the full line because this is a block element. Okay, so I'll just use same, I'll just space style attribute, I'll just press enter. So it will give me equal to sign and double quotes. Inside it I'll just use that style which is background dash color. Okay, colon, say green, semicolon. Okay, so ideally what should happen is the entire line, this background color should turn to green. Okay, let's see, let's just refresh it. Okay, So this is the background color, and we'll just change the color black color to white. Okay, so it is visible. So let's just change it color white and just semicolon. Just refresh it. Okay, now just change the color to white. Now let us use span. Okay. Now this is a span, and we'll see the output first. Okay, so this has come. Now I'll just use style sheet. I'll just change the font size of it. Okay, say font size is 40 pixel. Okay, so 30 pixel. Okay, that is the font size we want. Just refresh it. Okay, so the font size is now 30 pixel. So this is the basic method using which we give the inline styling, okay, inside the tags. Okay, so yeah, that is how we give styles to HTML document. Okay, to modify our HTML document or to give a better look to our HTML document, we use style sheets. So in the next video I'll explain why they are called as cascaded style sheet. Okay, why do we call them as cascaded? Okay, this is an interview question. So why the name cascaded is used? Why not any other name? What is cascading? Okay, so that I'll explain, and I'll explain the standard industry practice on how to write style sheets, and the three types of styles. That is, first is inline style that we saw here. That is, we write the style inside the tag or in the same line as the tag. This is inline style. Then second one is internal style, and third one is external style. So we'll see those three. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Bye bye.